Hey planners, it's Madeline from the wonderlandstamper.com. Today for 32nd Thursday, which will be more like a little bit longer, I am going to show you how to use washi tape and happy planner stickers to make your weekly layout on your planner work better for you. Instead of having to change up what kind of planner you're using, we are going to use washi tape and stickers to make it work for you without having to change a thing. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start over here, and what I'm going to do, instead of notes, I'm going to change that title there. So first what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of this gorgeous washi tape. This is some of Stampin' Up's retired washi tape, so you could get it, I'm sure, online somewhere, but they don't sell it anymore, and it is just stunning. I'm having a hard time finding the end here, but it is just beautiful. It's the Mediterranean, I think it was called. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut it in half. I want it to be a lot thinner than what it is. So I'm going to cut up this way and kind of get it going. Okay, so here we go. We have our really cute washi tape that I've laid down. I'm just gonna trim this up a little bit. Okay. Now I know myself, and I know I need a special place that looks pretty in order for myself to use it. So what I'm going to do is I want to change that from notes to important days. So I'm going to take one of these happy planner stickers and I'm going to put it up on top here just to cover up that title, because you can really make these pages into whatever you want, which is what I love about these. So this, I'm going to take one of the Stampin' Up! Write markers that I love, and I'm just going to write important dates. Just so that I use it more than what I am right now, because usually this side stays blank, or I put like a really pretty sticker on it or something. So what I want to do is there are some important dates throughout this week. There's 2 holidays, Passover and Easter. I have a furniture payment that's due. So those are the kind of things that I'm going to write here. So what I'm going to do is I'll just do one for right now because I don't want to add anything. I'm going to do it in pencil because things come up during the week and I'm not sure. I don't want to put them in pen officially yet. So Wednesday, I'm not even going to put Wednesday. I'm just going to put the number. Oh, I just had a fabulous idea. I am going to write the numbers big here. So we're going to go all the way to the first. Okay, and then I would write on the side here, like I know Easter is on the 1st, so I'm going to definitely put that in. And Passover's on the 30th. Okay, so this is what I would use just to keep track. So that way I can use up here for putting down my goals for the day and things like that. So just using washi tape in a different way and changing up these sides to something that I am going to use. So over here, something really important to me is water intake, and I know myself and I need to work on that. So I am going to do the same thing we did and remake this into what I want it to look like. So some of it is going to hang off the edge because I want to trim it. so it's totally even. So this example is just showing you what washi tape can really do for you. It's not just decoration. I love that I can change up the way my whole planner looks and make it into something else just using this tape. And then I'm going to trim off that excess there. And now we are on our way to a water tracker. So I'm just going to trim off the excess here. That way it'll look nice and neat. And now what I'm going to do is find a sticker that'll be big enough to cover that we can mark with what we're looking for here. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to put there we go. And then I want to create this to be through the week. So what I'm going to do is we want to get little dividers. So again, I'm going to be using the Happy Planner stickers here. And I'm going to use this as my tracker. So I'm going to just do throughout the week because that's when it's the hardest for me. Okay, so this is going to be Monday. And then just do it all the way down. And if I have room on here, I will go through the weekend, but it's really the week where I have issues because I'm at work and I forget. And I'll make these circles. Each one of them is going to be one of my huge water bottles. That'll give me my daily intake that I need for that day. So just making use of the space that you may not be using. Like I was thinking of, okay, do I need to get a different style planner because there are other things that I really want to be tracking and things like that. And no, I just need to re-look at what I'm reevaluate and see what else I can do before getting a different planner, because this will work for me. Just took a little bit of different thinking. So this will be a main goal for me, and then I am thinking that the next goal I'm going to do is something like no sugar or something like that. I got inspired by watching the Happy Planner YouTube channel that you should check out if you haven't yet. And Hannah on there is doing a spring cleaning inside and out, and I really was inspired by her on this. Alright, so that is it for today. I hope you liked just this quick little idea of using washi tape and Happy Planner stickers to change the way that your planner pages look and make them so that they are more user-friendly for you. Stay tuned for my videos on Saturday and Sunday. For now, keep planning, planners. Bye!